Well, today I'd like to talk about food and travel, and specifically breakfast. A traveler has to be a little bit flexible, and it all depends on what sort of travel a person is doing. So when you're doing one-night stands, like rest areas, truck stops, and Walmart parking lots, your diet is going to be a little bit different from when you're just taking a few weeks off in the desert. It's kind of inconvenient, to have to drag out the pots and pans and wash them and then, put them away like that. So, you probably want to do something simple like I do when I'm traveling from place to place. And that's to have a rather simple breakfast, essentially flavored oatmeal. And that's as simple as heating up some water. But when you're enjoying the desert, you kind of want to eat something a little more substantial. So you're going to need to whip out your 8-inch frying pan and get things all nicely lubricated. One thing I've discovered is that the stores don't always carry exactly what you want, so you have to find substitutes. And today I'm using a substitute. Normally I would get some sausage crumbles and some hash browns, but the local Walmart doesn't sell that. In fact, I'd have to drive about 70 miles to get the ingredients that I really want. But here in Quartzsite, we do have a substitute. We got these Jimmy Dean skillets. It's got sausage and various vegetables in it. And of course we've got our eggs. Our substantial breakfast is going to be a scrambler. So the first thing we need to do is we need to light a fire under my pan. And once the pan is warmed up, put our sausage skillets in here. Now these things I can get about 3 meals out of each one. That's not too bad. So we just let it sizzle here a little bit. And in a minute or two, the vegetables start sweating. That is, they're releasing their juices. And it's about that time that we can add the eggs. Two eggs is enough. So we want to break the yolks and mix that in. Sausage and eggs, sausage and eggs, sausage and eggs. Anyway, just have to sort of stir it around, get everything all well cooked. looks like the egg is all cooked and everything. Well, now we can put it into the pan here. Now I'm kind of a northern unsophisticate, so I tend to add a little ketchup onto my scramble. To make things a little more nice, we have a fruit cup. And of course you need something for your drink in the morning, so I thought I'd have another spiced apple cider. So we just pour in the water. That's a nice little substantial breakfast.